How many of you are watching K-drama? I mean the Korean drama on Netflix. The Korean drama is somewhat relatable to our Indian drama, a little bit finished. I am enjoying them. I started watching the Cha-Cha-Cha and so many other dramas, but the world famous Squid Games. When I started watching them, then I got interested in the Korean food. Even though I visited Korea, I've eaten a lot of food there. But when I watch these dramas, I want to eat something Koreanish food. So we did wasabi chicken nuggets. Today I'm going to make this soupy noodles. When I was in Seoul, Korea, I had a lot of ramen. So wherever I go to the restaurants, I used to have fresh, but now you can get them pre-packed. But I love to make my own thing. But when I do it, trust me, these ramens and all of them, they taste a lot South Indian. So I'm going to add some rasam powder to this homemade noodles. For this, first I'm going to add some chicken. So you can add chicken with bones or anything, and just add some chicken to the boiling water. In this, just the way I make rasam, add some onion, garlic, fresh ginger, some chilli flakes, rasam powder. You want to make it spicy, you can add some more of pepper powder and some chili powder. Start off with little bit low spice because you want to eat big bowl of it. So try and add little less spice first. If you want more, you can always add. In this, for the flavor, I'm going to add some chili pieces, which you can remove it off later. Oh, I did say that. Some coriander, some sugar, some soy sauce. Add little bit of flavoring salt. So this is going to become your stock. But to make the stock even more tasty, some tea leaf. The green leaf tea bags are good. You do not want to put the tea leaf bags in this for a long time. A little bit of it for a minute and remove it off. That will give a very nice flavor. Some cheese powder they add, and I'm adding a little bit of cheese to give it some flavor. So that should be good enough. Tea leaf, get out. I want more of chicken flavor. This is dry seaweed. Even this, it's got nice fishy flavor. Everything you can get online nowadays. So a little bit of seaweed. See, just like you're making rasam, but you add some Korean ingredients, some Indian ingredients. An Indian watching Korean romantic soap opera, the serious Korean soap opera, you want it to go both ways. So Indian flavors, Korean flavors in these noodles will be good. I have asked this bad boy to bring some noodles, but he says, Chef, you eat always fresh, so I'm going to make it fresh. So now make the noodles. What did you do? Just 100 grams of maida, 1 egg, pinch of salt, knead it well. Now roll into a sheet, cut into noodles, and boomba boomba goes in there. Noodles, so easy to make. With the flour, then what do?
Roll it.
Roll it. Roll the whole thing. Take a knife and cut it into thin like this, and you will have beautiful noodles. Once you cut all of them, just unroll them and you will have these noodles. A little bit thicker noodles, but that should be fine. Now this beautiful stock is all ready. All you need to do is take the big pieces of the chicken, the seaweed, everything. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the bones and we're going to cut the chicken into small pieces. So is the seaweed, and we're going to add this back to this stock. Here is the seaweed. I'm just going to cut the seaweed little bit small pieces and add it back to the stock. The noodles, it's going to take at least 5 minutes to cook. That should be good enough. And the chicken, the bone pieces, remove it off, and rest of them just cut into small pieces and add it back to the stock. So you have the chicken, noodles, seaweed, and full flavored soup ready. So this is optional. I want to give a little bit of thickening with cornstarch. Not too much, just a little bit of thickening. They serve the hot soup in ceramic bowl, which is again heated well. So when they bring it to you, it's literally boiling hot. Add 1 egg to the bowl. Whisk it. You're going to pour the hot soup into the... That's it. You got the soupy noodles, instant Ready? We got the chicken, we got the noodles, everything. Now, time to enjoy K-drama. Soupy noodles. Soupy noodles, best anytime for weight loss, watching K-dramas, or just for fun. Some seaweed. My God, seaweed is so good. You can order it online. Add very little to start with, and nothing like fresh noodles. Too good. Full flavors from everything we put in.